Hello viewers, and welcome back to another episode of Scale Model Car Chief. I'm Steven. In this episode we're going to be doing the unboxing of Moebius Models 1967 F100 service bed pickup. I picked this kit up and I was really excited after seeing a lot of reviews and videos of it on the internet. I have the perfect idea how I want to build this kit. But, just looking at the kit and everything that I've seen, it just looks so detailed. The box art to me is absolutely fabulous. It looks great. Very classic. The side here mimics the very top. And then it gives you an overall detail of the F100 service bed, and then details about the body itself, from the service bed all the way up to the cab. So again, let's go ahead and get into this. So I already took the plastic off because my light was reflecting on it, and the kit is filled to the brim. It's amazing that they can get so much into a small little box. A chrome tree. And then we have a clear tree. We'll try to sit the box out of the way. We got assortment of parts. Looks like wheel backs, visors, rear springs. Tires. We have appears to be 5, 4 for the truck and then 1 for the span. The body. Let's go ahead and see if I can open this up real quick here. Get it going. A little bit of flash there at the bottom. I'll just snip that off. Very nice, clean lines every place else. Very good looking. Another kit of parts. Looks like oil pan, wheels and tires, transmissions. So I guess it has an automatic transmission and a manual transmission. Here we have the chassis and the service bed. Diamond tread or diamond plate for the bottom of the service bed. There's no way I'm going to be able to get all this back in the box, so I'll have to use the box and lid. Door panels, bench seat, floor pan, hood, a full tailgate. It appears to be a full tailgate. Step bumper. Instructions, or as I like to call them sometimes, the destructions. Full color. Very nice. 10 pages, 7 steps. The decals. I'm not even going to open these decals up because I've got some special decals that I have ordered for this truck. So I am going to be making the tow truck from Hazard County's garage, Cooter Davenport's tow truck. So I've already made the General Lee, and this will work perfectly for the tow truck from the Dukes of Hazzard TV series. I love those TV series trucks, so this will be a good addition to my collection. So step back and look for my next update build. I guess it will be towards the end of this coming week. So I hope you have a safe and blessed new year, and thank you for watching. This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief.